Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to delete all orphan post meta from WordPress database using phpMyAdmin. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in phpMyAdmin and database and we are going to remove or delete all orphan metadata using SQL Query. So we are in structure. Now you see SQL, so click on it. So orphan post meta refer to metadata that is not associated with any existing post. So we are going to remove it. Now paste query and you will find this query in video description or in comment section. Now you see delete from WP post meta. WP is our table prefix. So you can add your table prefix. So we are going to add WP-D8. Now you see. And then you see where post ID not in select ID from WP post. So you can add table prefix here. So this is our table prefix. So we are going to add our WP-D8. So you can add your table prefix and then click on go. Now you see 45 rows deleted by using SQL Query. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.